Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tracy. So update, last week I nearly lost almost £1,000 on the stock market. And yes, it did sting, it did suck. Anyway, here's what I learned during that period, and here's how I'm handling it generally. I did panic. It's little money, but obviously I'm a new investor. I just started investing on the stock market last year, and as a newbie, seeing my account, my portfolio losing over £800 last week really did frighten me quite a lot, actually. But here is how I handled it. I had to just reassure myself to say this is a long-term game. So instead of panicking and selling my stocks, I saw them dwindle down, so I still continued buying. The first lesson that I actually learned is the importance of diversifying your portfolio. It's really important, and honestly it plays a role when the markets are all over the place. So I invested quite a huge amount in Tesla, and Tesla has been doing so bad. So seeing Tesla just keep going down and down just affected my portfolio so much. So I'm learning to diversify now, and once Tesla covers, I'm going to push some funds from Tesla to another stock that I think it's more stable and less volatile. Another lesson that I learned was to ensure that you've got an exit plan. Even as long-term investors have exit plans. So like I was saying, I already know once I recover, I'm not going to allow greed to take control. I'm going to sort of try to balance my portfolio. It's a good lesson I've learned, actually, because it really did scare me out when I saw my account going almost negative $1,000. The next lesson that I learned during this market crash down was to take it as a long-term goal. And sometimes when these market crash downs are there, when there are dips are just like discounts. So don't pull out. If anything, put in more money, average down, which is what I did. So I moved the fear and I said, look, I'm going to average down my my stocks. I'm going to buy the stocks at a very cheaper price than the normal. So honestly, by the time these stocks go up, I would have done very well, and I'm so proud for sticking to the plan and not letting fear take hold of me. Another thing that you need to reflect on is, how's your risk tolerance? If your risk tolerance is low, you might as well try and choose more stable stocks, those that are less volatile, or you can just go for index funds. But for me, I think my risk tolerance is, I'd say, medium. It's not too low or too high. My risk tolerance is average. It's just medium. It's just there. It's always important to gauge yourself. What is your risk tolerance? When you find out, try to choose stocks that are more stable. The less volatile stocks are the ones that you should go for. If your risk tolerance is too low, just go for index funds. They are amazing. They've got everything you need and you'll be sorted out. So for me, I try to be a little bit adventurous. Of course, I've got index funds, and I'm really trying to jump out of the extreme once I recover my money from Tesla, hopefully. So these are the most important lessons I learned, and I'm not going to give up, and no one should give up. These are the 3 lessons I learned after I lost over £800, and yeah. So stick to the plan, and yeah, kindly share if you've lost any money and how you're handling it. Okay, love you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.